Hi, and welcome to another Trimble SiteVision tutorial video. Today we're going to take a look at the new web feature service support available in our latest version 3.5 release. This lets you connect directly to your online GIS data services and visualize them in SiteVision. To get started, you're going to need to download and install the new version of SiteVision Manager from our website. This desktop application will let you configure your web feature service connections and manage all the feature classes and settings associated with these. Open SiteVision Manager and create a new feature service connection. Enter the feature service URL in the Server Details tab. If your feature service requires authentication, this can be configured in the Account tab. Depending on the authentication type, this can be quite a technical area to set up. Check out our user documentation for more details. Select the Layers tab and click the Fetch button to connect to the service and retrieve the available feature classes. Use the checkboxes to select the feature classes you wish to include in your visualization. Each of these feature classes will display as a separate layer within SiteVision. Once you're happy with your selection, select Save As from the File menu to save your configuration as a .wfs file. The next step is to copy your WFS file to your Trimble Connect project. This .wfs file contains all of your feature service configuration and lets your SiteVision users easily access your feature service data without any configuration in the field. Also remember that web feature service data is fully compatible with the SiteVision visualization rules engine. This allows you to define specific colors, represent accurate 3D pipes, or even replace points with custom 3D models. Once you're in the field, you can load your .wfs file from Trimble Connect just like you would any other model. When you load the WFS file, SiteVision will download and display all data within 500 meters of your current position. Walk 10 meters to orient SiteVision as usual, and your feature service data will automatically adjust itself to the correct location. As you move around and explore, you can reload the WFS data at any time to download additional data in a new location. There's also an option to input a custom coordinate, so you can easily preview data in a specific location prior to heading out to site. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy our new web feature services support in SiteVision 3.5. For more information, please check out our website and our user guide for detailed instructions and tips.